This Glassman High Voltage E1900737 Rev C, which is a high voltage power supply capable of 10 megaamps at 40 kilovolts of direct current, came to us from one of our semiconductor customers needing a full rebuild. We went through the entire power supply, and then as shown in the video, we let it sit at idle for a while to make sure we missed nothing. This particular power supply required a very unusual load, so we could fire the output, but we could not get a video-friendly setup, which sometimes happens during our final test process. We at ERD have repaired many Glassman power supplies for the Semicon industry and have had a very high success rate on our repairs. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.